In this video, we're going to determine how we can find slope between two coordinate points, -4, 2 and 2, 6. So if you have graph paper, it's nice. You can really plot these points, but I really like to just a lot of just quick sketches when I find slope, just really quickly here. And so I'm just going to roughly estimate where these values are so we have an idea of picture where we're going, if it's a positive or negative slope. But other than that, I'm not going to really graph it too nice and neat. So our first value here, we have -4, 2. So we're to the left, -4, all right, on the x-axis, and up a +2. Let's just say it's right here. +2 is roughly there. And then for the other coordinate point, we're over at a +2 on the x, and up a total of 6. And these are just like a little rough estimate coordinates here that I'm placing. And so our line's going up this way, and we can see that we have a positive slope. We're reading from left to right. It's going up and to the right. And so if I want to find the slope, use the formula for the slope. We write it as m, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so then I just kind of plug in our coordinate points here. I'm going to pick -4, 2 as my first point, 2, 6 is my second point, and we just kind of plug them into our little formula here. I like to also, when I'm first doing this, where I'm teaching people to do this, I will say label these as x1, y1, x2, y2, right here. And so you can easily match up your values. That's up to you, but I find it's easier so you don't get mixed up. And so my first ones are y2, we have a 6, minus my y1, which is a 2, over my x2, 2, minus my x1, which is a -4. And here's where it becomes tricky. We have two negatives, so it's going to be positive there. So my slope here is just 6 minus 2, which would be 4, over 2 minus a -4, which is 2 plus a 4, which brings us to be 6. And of course, we can simplify that to be 2/3. So my slope of this line is 2/3, and remember, it's a positive slope. It's a positive 2/3 because when we're reading from left to right, like in English, you're reading from left to right. That's what we're going to do with the graphs here. We're reading from the left to the right. It's increasing, it's going up, so it's going to be always a positive slope. I hope this quick video was helpful, and thank you for watching.